Hello traders, welcome to my channel, Sam Trading Strategies. If you're looking for an easy yet powerful pocket option trading strategy, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm sharing one of the most powerful pocket option strategies using two simple indicators. This strategy is super easy, beginner-friendly, and works across all market sessions. All right, for this strategy, here's what you need to do. Select a 1-minute candle time frame. For this strategy, we'll use two indicators, Momentum Indicator and Parabolic SAR Indicator. But wait, to make this strategy super effective, you'll need to fine-tune the indicator settings. Don't worry, I'll reveal those exact settings later in the video, so stick around. Now, let's talk about the trading rules step by step. Pay close attention. Before that, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my trading strategies. Now let's dive right in. For a sell trade, look for strong bearish momentum. Check the Parabolic SAR. When the dots start forming above the candle, that's a signal. At the same time, the momentum indicator bar should be below the zero line. That's the right time to take a sell trade. For a buy trade, look for strong bullish momentum. Check the Parabolic SAR. When the dots start forming below the candle, that's the signal. Simultaneously, the momentum indicator bar should be above the zero line. That's the right time to take a buy trade. Key points. Candle time frame will be 1 minute and expiry time will be 3 to 5 minutes. Avoid trading during news events to reduce risks. This strategy works in all trading sessions, both real and OTC markets. Easy, right? But don't worry if you're still unsure. Now let's take a few live trades together so you can see exactly how this strategy works in real time. Watch closely as I use both indicators to confirm the perfect entry points. This is a perfect buy trade setup according to our strategy. The Parabolic SAR dot is forming below the candle. The momentum indicator bar is rising above the middle zero line. That's our signal to enter a buy trade. Always start by testing this strategy on a demo account. It's the safest way to practice and build your confidence before trading with real money. Now let's wait and see how this trade concludes. Will it be a win or a loss? Stay tuned. We've won this trade. This shows just how effective this strategy can be when followed correctly. Now let's stay patient and wait for the next perfect trade setup. Remember, discipline is key in trading. Here is a perfect buy trade setup according to our strategy. The Parabolic SAR dot is forming below the candle. The momentum indicator bar is rising above the middle zero line. That's our signal to enter a buy trade. Trading binary options involves significant financial risk and can lead to losing money. Always trade responsibly and use funds you can afford to lose. Now let's see how this trade performs. Profit or loss? Stay tuned to find out. This setup worked exactly as planned and delivered a profitable result. Remember traders, success comes from following the rules and waiting for the right opportunities. Patience and discipline are the keys to winning in trading. Now, let's stay focused and look for the next perfect trade setup. Let's keep going and growing. Here is a perfect buy trade setup according to our strategy. The Parabolic SAR dot is forming below the candle. The momentum indicator bar is rising above the middle zero line. That's our signal to enter a buy trade. If you want to learn more powerful setups like this, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out. Now, let's see how this trade performs. Profit or loss? Stay tuned to find out. We've won this trade. It's time to move forward. Now, let's look for the last trade setup of today's session. Stay tuned. We're not done yet. And don't forget, if you want the exact settings for all two indicators, make sure to watch the video till the end. Let's keep going. This is a perfect sell trade setup. The Parabolic SAR dot is forming above the candle. The momentum indicator bar is below the middle zero line. That's our signal to enter a sell trade. I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me which trading strategy or topic you'd like me to cover next. I'm here to create content based on your favorite trading ideas. Now let's wait and see how this trade concludes. Win or loss? Remember, in trading, patience is key. Stay tuned and don't forget, indicator settings are coming up, so stick around till the end. We've won this trade too. Now, as promised, let me show you the indicator settings for this strategy so you can set them up yourself. Parabolic SAR indicator settings, acceleration, 0.025, maximum acceleration, 0.15, momentum indicator settings, period, 7. I hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or need clarification, drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot and helps me create more high-quality content just for you. And don't forget to share this video with your trading community so we can grow and learn together. Keep learning, keep growing, and always remember, the power to succeed is in your hands. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.